Hey all, hope you are good. Welcome to my channel, sriwworldofcoding. So, this is the third video of the SQL series where I will be solving Leetcode problem. So let's begin. So today I'm going to solve one 527 ID problem patient with a condition. So we have a table name patient and we have the schema. Okay, so and we need to write a SQL query to report the patient ID, patient name, and those patients who have type 1 diabetes. So, type 1 diabetes always start with DIAB1 prefix. Okay, so as you can see here, these are its various conditions. We need to ensure that uh, individual who have DIAB1 in its condition will be returned. So, this is the row and this is the second row. So Bob and George will be the output. So let's write our SQL query. Select, we need patient ID, comma, patient name, comma, and conditions column also from patients table where uh, condition like. So the first condition is that DIAB1 will be at the beginning. So DIAB1 and then anything can be thereafter. Or another condition can be uh, anything will be at the start, then there will be a space and then DIAB1, and after that anything can be there. So here what we have written, we are querying out patient ID, patient name, and conditions column where the condition is being satisfied is that DIAB1 will be at the start or will be after space. So let's run our code. Okay, seems good. And now let's click on submit. So it's success. Now let's move to the next question, whose ID is 1484, group sold products by the date. Here the table name is activities, the column name is sell date and product. Okay, we have to write a SQL query to find each date the number of different products sold and their names. The sold products name for each date should be sorted in order by sell date. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to group by. Okay, all the items that are sold on 30th May 2020. So we can see that on 30th May, headphone, basketball, and t-shirt is being sold. On first, pencil and Bible is being sold. On second, only mask is being sold. So let's write the query. Select, first will be sell date, second will be its count, count as num sold and uh, the third column will be products. So we need to group concat. So what group concat will do, when we group by on this column, whatever the row that has been grouped will get concat. So this is the functionality of group concat function. We need to pass the column name that we need to concat. Okay, so when we will concat on second, then there will be 2 times mask will be present. So we are writing distinct here. And column name will be products. And we need to from table activities. Okay, when we will group by on second, 2 times mask will be present, but here output is 1, so we need to also write distinct product. So here what we are doing, we are selecting the column cell date, selecting count star depending upon distinct product, group concat, and we are applying group concat on column product group. Then we have to write group by column name will be cell date, order by cell date. So let's run our code. Okay, seems okay. The test case has been passed. Okay, so it's also success. So here we have learned about the function group concat. So when we're grouping on column cell date, whatever the values are being getting grouped by will get concated here. So now let's move on to the next question, whose ID is 1667. Fix name in the table. So we have a table name users. These are its column. We need to fix the name such that first character will be in uppercase and rest will be in lowercase. So here only A will be in capital and rest all will be in lowercase. Similarly, B will be capital and rest will be okay. So here we have to use substring concept. Select user ID, comma. We will use substring concepts substr. We will pass the name and we will take 1 up to 1, starting from 1 and only 1 length. It will be what it will become? It will become upper. Then we are concatenating it, and after that all will be lower substr name starting from second digit until length of name from users table. So here what we are doing, we are using substring starting from first character up to first character only, and we're converting into uppercase. This is the symbol of concat. Then after that, whatever we will present from second digit to up to end, we will convert into lowercase. Same sisu. Okay. As name. Again some issue. Okay, sorry for the interruption. I will just update the statement. And now let's run our code. Okay, seems okay. Now click on submit. And the solution is accepted. So hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.